Hello traders, before we get into this one, just a quick heads up, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has a lot of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. It's a simple way to explore automated strategies if you are just getting started or even testing new ideas. Now in this video, I am reviewing the ICT Silver Bullet Expert Advisor, and this one is available for both MT4 and MT5. So no matter which platform you are using, you are covered. Let's just break this down properly. So here we are on the MQL5 marketplace page for the ICT Silver Bullet EA. It's currently priced at 59 US dollars, and right away the concept behind this EA is very clear. It's built around the silver bullet strategy, which is a well-known approach within the ICT trading style. Now, what makes this interesting is that instead of trying to trade all day, this EA is focused on specific time windows, also known as kill zones. Periods where the market tends to have higher volatility and liquidity. And within those windows, it's looking for fair value gaps or imbalances, which are areas where price moved aggressively and left inefficiencies behind. Now, the idea is simple on the surface, but execution is everything. That's where automation like this comes in. Now, let's talk about how this EA is actually designed to operate. At its core, this EA is built for precision over frequency. So it's not constantly scanning and firing trades. It's waiting for a specific sequence of events to line up within a defined time window. What makes it powerful is the time-based control. You can define exactly when the EA is allowed to trade, whether it's London session, New York session, or even multiple kill zones throughout the day. All right. That matters because this strategy relies heavily on timing and volatility. Now, on top of that, you also have flexibility in how trades are executed. You can choose whether the EA enters using pending orders or instant market execution, depending on how aggressive or conservative you want the entries to be. Now, from a risk management perspective, it's also quite structured. Instead of fixed targets, you can define your risk to reward ratio. Which also means that the EA is aiming for trades where the potential reward justifies the risk, and then it builds on that with partial take profits, break-even protection, and trailing stops. Okay, so trades aren't just opened and closed. They're actively managed. Another important aspect is the trade frequency control. You can limit it to one trade per day or allow multiple entries, depending on your strategy. That's useful because some traders prefer high quality single setups while others want more exposure. But here's the thing, this flexibility is great, but it also means that results depend heavily on how you configure it. So if your time windows, risk settings, or entry preferences are off, performance can change significantly. All right, so let's just move from theory to actual performance. I've already downloaded the free demo, which can only be used on the strategy tester, obviously. So we're going to be running the ICT Silver Bullet Expert Advisor. We're going to be running a back test on our MT5 right away. So let's head over, select the ICT Silver Bullet, and we're going to be running the test from the start of the year, 1st January 2026 till date. We're not just looking at the short-term results, we are seeing how it behaves over a more meaningful period. But I will still recommend that you test it over a longer period to get a more comprehensive result. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start the back test. All right, so we've got our first setup forming. All right, now we can see the EA is still active, hunting opportunities. We can see another trade has been executed here. This is essentially a retracement area, right, into inefficiency, expecting price to continue in the original direction. This was a sell move here. Okay, sell and then exit of the sell. Right, we can see there was a sell here and an exit of the sell, and then now we have a buy trade here. Defined stop loss, defined take profits. Okay, so let's just continue. All right. So there's a periods there, or rather there are periods where no trades were taken. So that is important. It means that the EA is strictly following its conditions. No valid FVG inside the kill zone, no trade. So this type of behavior is exactly what you want with a strategy like this, because it performs best in clean, high volatility sessions with clear directional intent. In sideways or low volume conditions, it's naturally going to stay out. So the backtest has concluded. We're just going to head over to the results right now, and we can see that we had an initial deposit of $3,000. Net profit is just 16.88 US dollars. It's just a little above 0.5%. And we can see that 23 trades were taken, short trades were 8 with a 37.5% win rate, long trades were 15 with 33.33% win rate. All right, not very good. We had our average profit at 56.92, average loss was 29.23, largest profit $59, largest loss was $30.94. All right, so just to be clear, these are historical backtest results and they don't guarantee future performance. They simply show how the EA would have performed under these exact conditions. Now, results will vary depending on your selected kill zones, your risk to reward settings, your lot size or risk percentage, broker conditions like spread and execution, and overall market structure. So it's very important to test and optimize the settings yourself before using this on a live account. All right. So overall, the ICT Silver Bullet EA is a focused and structured trading system. It's not trying to trade everything. It's targeting specific high probability moments in the market based on time and imbalance. The biggest strength here is discipline. Okay, it follows rules strictly, avoids overtrading, and aligns with a proven trading concept. At the same time, the results are highly dependent on correct configuration and market conditions. So, this is best suited for traders who understand the silver bullet concept, FVGs, and session based trading and want to automate that process. Okay, so if that is your approach, then this EA can be, you know, a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. If not, there's definitely a learning curve involved. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.